They say to never meet your heroes, because who knows, you might be disappointed. But from filming this GT3 RS a few years back to being able to drive one, I can tell you, I was not disappointed meeting my hero.
There you go, Abe.
I can tell you, some heroes are definitely worth meeting.